Hello everyone. In this lecture, let us learn about the different operations in pixel manipulation. The fundamental operations that come under pixel manipulation are shape of an image, size of an image, value of a pixel, ROI, splitting, and merging of an image. So now, let us have a look at these operations one by one. The first operation we are going to have a look at is the shape of an image. This is a basic image property. This operation returns the height, width, and the number of channels. The number of channels here represent the colors that make up an image. There are two types of number of channels. First is a 3-channel color for RGB, and the second is a 4-color channel for CMYK. For this operation, we will be using the shape syntax. We will have to make sure that this is assigned to a variable. The next operation is the size of an image. In this operation, we will be finding out the total number of elements in an image. So what we get is the product of the values returned by the shape operation. So let's say we have an image with the values 2, 2, 3 returned from the shape operation. Then the size will be 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. For this operation, we will have to use the size syntax. We will have to assign this to a variable for further usage if needed. The third operation is finding the value of a pixel. A pixel consists of color elements which makes up an image. So as we know, an image is either 3 or 4 color. Just to recall, the shape operation gives us the number of channels. So to get a value of a pixel, we will have to mention the position of the pixel. The position will take in two values, which is the x as well as the y position. The fourth operation is the splitting of an image. This operation is nothing but splitting the channels in an image. Depending upon the number of channels in an image, it will either split into 3 or 4. 3 for RGB and 4 for CMYB or CMYK. A very important information that we must keep in mind is that in OpenCV, RGB is represented as BGR when importing an image. The split syntax is what we are going to be using here, and this can be found in the CV2 library. Now on to the final operation, which is merging of an image. This is the opposite of the splitting operation. This is used when we are given a single color element. After carrying out certain operations, we can merge it to get the original image. The syntax we are going to be using here is merge, and it is present in the CV2 library. As usual, when we display an image, the image will be the same as our original image used before we have split it into the 3 colors. Thank you. See you guys in the next lecture.